First priority of life: clean oxygen in the lungs. Life begins with the most pious and sacred activity of breathing necessary for every human being. And the first priority is fresh, dust-free air full of oxygen. What does this imply? That from the onset of our lives, we are using air. Meet Ethos HVAC Systems Limited, a pioneer in bringing clean, fresh air. All its products are a rich source of inspiration to attain righteous empowerment and resistibility against every ill factor at all public places or industrial segments. Ethos is one global corporate comprising of visionary professionals and a very experienced team of engineers having international inspection and quality norms with a big force of skilled and semi-skilled workers. Promoter of the company has taken up the initiative by bringing advanced technology and most productive products and services. Ethos, connecting people worldwide with pure and clean eco-friendly breathing. Ethos, a leading manufacturer of equipments required for central air conditioning plants, is a ISO 9001-2000 company providing to the world all its brands since the last 30 years. Ethos HVAC Systems Limited are renowned worldwide for their product quality and commitment to the industry. All its projects are fully strengthened with precise design, innovative and cost-effective approach. Realist and idealist MD of Ethos HVAC Systems Limited is glad to invite you to visit the manufacturing plant of 28,000 square meters situated on Sarkhej-Bawla Highway at about 18 kilometers away from Ahmedabad, constructed in 5,000 square meters, surrounded with lush green, fully hygienic atmosphere. Ethos, a renowned name in India, is well known for qualitative products and commitment to the clients. We at Ethos are thriving continuously since the last 30 years to provide the best services. Ethos stands on the platform of value addition and values. Our voyage of successful endeavors is continuously moving ahead with the innovations and ideology. Team spirit, cost consciousness and transparency have helped us to emerge as a leader in the industry. Ethos is involved in making energy-efficient, eco-friendly, maintenance-free air handling units for central air conditioning systems, all under one roof. Having a professionally managed, fully equipped manufacturing plant involved in producing double or single-skin air handling units, ventilation or exhaust unit, air washer systems, fan coil units, cooling or heating ductable split units, heat transfer coils and its applied accessories. Be it a ceiling mounted unit or horizontal floor mounted unit or a double-decker unit, all assembled with heat recovery wheel with volume control dampers and state-of-the-art technology, these numerous pallets are helping make this corporate a flamboyant showcase in the field of air engineering. Ethos strongly believes at a quality policy. Ethos has executed a large number of prestigious projects, including the most complex and demanding installations in industries such as pharmaceuticals, shopping malls and multiplexes, hospitals, petrochemicals and refineries, star hotels and resorts, IT and electronics, power plants, food and processing house, textiles, corporate houses, airports and shipping yards, prestigious institutional buildings and many more. Ethos has an assembly line for double skin units, air handling units and ductable units with in-house powder coating department, quality control department, design department, polyurethane foam injection, coils for cooling, heating assembly and testing line. For uninterrupted working, Ethos has 100% standby DG set for smooth and timely production. Our widespread industrial experience and clientele speaks about the strengths and the value system of the company. Our products and services are installed at every corner of India, catering to more than 500 esteemed clients of various industries. Ethos has some recent international projects in Sri Lanka, Bangladesh and Cameroon, Africa too. The salient features of our products: thermal break construction units are offered with forward, backward curved fans or plug fans. Panels flushed with aluminum profile frames from outside and inside. No sharp corners from inside. Profiles with rounded corners. Units available with pre-filters, microwave filters, bag filters and HEPA filters. Specially designed nylon corners. Some common special features of all our products. Available in customized sizes. Quiet and vibration free. Compact, rugged in construction. Removable panels. Adaptable to wide range of applications. The company also maintains every discipline of registration. A full-fledged professional team looks after the day-to-day operations of the plant and its service. Team Ethos has emerged as a global corporate consisting of well-built entrepreneurs, knowledge workers and professionals who have come together to contribute towards the economic empowerment, to create strong business networks and to enhance global relationships. This group is an emblem of quality, trust and service which has an aim to achieve the mission to create an avenue where the team gets new exposure, business growth and opportunities to explore new areas for business expansion. Team of 8 determined engineers from all over India and around the globe for broad-based production governance. 11 administrative members for governing and directing the affairs of the company. More than 100 fully dedicated skilled and semi-skilled workers. And all this together to thrive the air-conditioned industry through the day-to-day involvement. All united for a cause to achieving higher economic prosperity and to create a unique destination in the world of clean breathing. Apart from value creation, this corporate house is also recognized for their corporate social responsibilities and community welfare initiatives. History is most often written in terms of inventions, events, revolutions and revolutionary ideas. But it is essentially the story of an industrial growth. And Ethos is the perfect destination to connect your need and be a part of the silver shining history. Welcome to all of you. Ethos is moving from success to significance, a tribute to great lifestyles, with the aim of providing pure and clean, eco-friendly breathing. Ethos, connecting people worldwide. Please communicate us for further details